Hello my dear children, welcome back to online class once again, and today in my class I am going to continue the same lesson where we stopped in my last class. The title of the story was Jalebis, written by Ahmad Nadim Kasmi. Okay, so in the previous class I was telling that how the boy spent that 4 rupees which was given to pay the school fees to eat jalebis, and it was aroused by the coins for him to forced to eat. Okay, so there we stopped in my last class. So now jalebis I had gobbled. Gobble means to eat quickly. So he ate jalebis quickly, easily enough, but digesting them became another matter. So he ate in such a way, obviously if you eat at a time so much of sweet, the digestion will be problematic in the stomach. So it became a matter for him. Now at night I had to eat my dinner as well. The result was that all night I lay coiled up like a jalebi. Coil means to twisted, like you have seen jalebi, no? Twisted, curled, circle. So he also has to curl like a jalebi, suffering stomach ache. Stomach ache means stomach pain. So he had a very severe pain in the stomach because of overeating of sweets. Okay, so he was having a stomach ache. The next morning when I got to school, I found out that the scholarship was going to be paid the following month. So next morning when he went to school, what he came to know, the scholarship will be given next month. My head started to spin. Why head started to spin now? Because he thought that he will get the scholarship money and he will pay the school fee. That is why he started spinning now. Spinning means to move. Okay. Master Ghulam Muhammad announced that the fees would be taken during the recess. So here he announced again the fees to be collected in the recess. Recess means break, lunch break. When the recess bell rang, I tucked my bag under my arm and left school, simply walked on. So here when he heard the bell, what did he? He carried the bag and he went towards home. I said to Allah Mia, just like one saved me, just 4 rupees in my pocket, and I promise I will use them only to pay my fees. Now he started praying to God. Okay, Allah Mia is the God. So here he started praying that just means give that 4 rupees again in his pocket, and he will not spend again unnecessarily, and he would pay his school fee. Soon I reached the point where the Kambelpur railway station began. So he reached near the railway station of Kambelpur. There was a shade giving tree beside the tracks. So beside the track there was a shade, okay, and the tree shade. I sat under it and wondered whether there could possibly be a more unfortunate child than me in this world. So he started cursing him, okay, calling himself unfortunate child. Unfortunate means he is unable to pay the school fee and had used that money for other purpose. Had I known that I would get the scholarship only the next month, I would have postponed my jalebi eating program to the next month as well. So here he started thinking, now if he had known about the scholarship money would be given later, so even he would have also made up his mind to postpone the eating of jalebis later. Okay. Now for the first time in my life I was absent from school. Sitting there under the tree, at first I felt like crying. So he was sitting under the tree cursing himself, and sometimes he felt like crying because of his work that he had done. Allah Mia, I am a very good boy. I need only the money for the fees. I admit I made a mistake. Just this once, help me out. There is no shortage of anything in our treasury. Won't you give me just 4 rupees? Again he started praying to God and asking for 4 rupees so that he could pay the school fee. After offering my prayers, I looked into my bag forget 4 rupayas. There weren't even 4 paisa in my bag. So yeah, after praying means whatever you pray you will get. It is not that easy, no. So he also means he was a child, no, like you all. So he prayed to the God, and after that he started looking in the bag. He did not find any money in the bag, not even a paisa. The next day I did the same thing. I repeatedly pleaded, Allah Mia, at least give it to me today. So again next day also he did same thing. He started pleading, requesting God to give him that 4 rupees to pay school fee. Then I said, alright, let's play a game. I will go from here to the railway signal. You secretly place 4 rupees under this big rock. I will touch the signal and come back. What fun it will be if I pick up the rock and find 4 rupees underneath. So here he himself made a plan now to play a game, okay, with the God. So he said that means he will go to the signal, he will touch the signal, he will come back, and when he will come back it would be like magic would happen. That means he will find that 4 rupees beneath the rock. So are you ready? I am going towards the signal. So here he started playing with the God and saying that, are you ready? He is speaking with the God also, okay, and he went towards the signal and said 1, 2, 3. He started counting. I went up to the signal and returned smiling. So after means he went to the signal. So while coming he was smiling. Why he was smiling? Because there was a hope that he would get that 4 rupees underneath the rock. When I lifted up the rock, a big hairy worm got up and curling and twisting wriggled towards me. Wriggle means to move, twisted and turns. Worms you have seen, no? So railway tracks are all dirty. Obviously you will find such worm, hairy worm. I screamed and ran away. So here he got scared looking at that worm, hairy worm. Okay, so he ran away from there. That day when I returned home, I was caught. So the parents came to know, okay, what happened. Well, whatever happened, but up to the 7th of 8th standard, I kept wondering if Allah Mia had sent me 4 rupees that day, what harm could it have possibly caused anyone? It was only later that I came to the conclusion that if Allah Mia were to provide all for the asking, then people would even today be living in nests like vultures and crows and could not have learnt the art of making jalebis. So here means he understood he had done mistake, okay, and he also now started believing that means it is not possible whatever we ask to God that God will provide us, okay. Otherwise even the author has compared here the people with the bird like vultures, crows, okay. People would have been means asking everything to God, everything would be provided, okay, and they would not have been known, okay, the art of making jalebis also. So human beings are such a people, no, means they are talented, they have a art of doing so many things, alright. So here he would make so many things as well, okay. People would learn from others of art of living, okay, in this way. So here the author also comes to know about the disadvantages of misusing the money. So we also have to be very careful in using the money in a proper manner. Suppose the money is given to buy a book or a copy, you have to buy a book or copy, you should not misuse it. Otherwise again you may be threatened by your parents or sometimes beaten up also, isn't it? Like if a teacher gives you homework, you should not disobey, you have to complete the work on time. Understood? So that is a lesson to be learned from this story. I hope it makes clear and you have understood the story. Enjoy your day, have fun.